Stop! Do you know what is in this Oreo Blizzard? You're about to find out.
Let's check some of the ingredients with Insider's Health AI. First, this medium blizzard contains 85 grams of sugar. That's 21 sugar packets. That's over 3 times the daily recommended sugar intake for women and double the recommended amount for men. Next, you have 30 grams of fat, including 14 grams of saturated fat. That's 75% of your daily recommended intake of saturated fat. From processed cream, inflammatory seed oils, and butter substitutes. As if that wasn't enough, this doesn't even include the preservatives, flavor enhancers, and sodium overload it contains. Sorry about your blizzard, but here, just download the Insider's Health AI app to find a healthier dessert alternative.